Next on our list is going to be to clean our lens. To do so, we first need to remove our extension tube from our laser head. To do so, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our compression fitting and squeeze to remove our air hose. I'm then going to take my tensioning collar located here to turn clockwise and then bring my extension tube all the way out. Now that we have our extension tube out, I'm going to use some paper towel to put my extension tube on. I'm going to go ahead and get my latex gloves on so I don't leave fingerprints on my lens after we clean it. We're also going to get our bottle of denatured alcohol, some Q-tips, our lens removal tool, and our can of compressed air. I'm going to start by taking off my cone so I can view my lens. I'm going to use my lens removal tool to take off my tensioning collar here. And then shake my contents out very carefully onto my paper towel. I should have my lens, my rubber washer or O-ring, and then my tensioning. I'm going to take my denatured alcohol and I'm going to saturate one of my Q-tips. And then start by cleaning one side of the lens. I'm going to go ahead and flip my lens over and do the same thing on the opposite end of the Q-tip. I'm going to saturate my Q-tip and then wipe down my lens. Once that's complete, I'm going to use my compressed air just to dry it off a little bit. And then reassemble. When reassembling, pay attention to your lens itself. There's actually two sides to the lens. There's the concave and the convex side. The convex side or bubble side is what's going to be placed inside the extension tube first. Then our rubber washer, and then our compression. When tightening this down, you don't need to be overcritical and tighten it down too much. You just want it to be nice and snug. Enough so as the air is going through our cone, it's not rattling our lens. Then I'm going to take my cone here and I'm going to clean it as well using the Q-tips and denatured alcohol. I can come onto the inside like so, and then also on the inside part here. Again, use my compressed air to dry it off, and then reassemble it back onto my extension tube.